Hi, Paul here from Tan Dog Studio. Today we're making a drawing for a future build. It's a plant stand. Let's move this dude out of the way first. Here we go. I'm making the outline for the cross pieces, I think is what I'll call these guys. So let's duplicate that guy. I decided to make half lap joints here, so I'm marking 2 inches in from the ends because the legs will be 2 inches wide as well. These cross pieces are 16 inches long, 3/4 inch thick, and 2 inches wide. So now I'm making this line and pushing these half lap joints in about 3/8 of an inch because the wood is 3/4 inch and half of that is 3/8. Here we go, marking to the center of this piece here so I can make a half lap for these two cross pieces to lay into each other. And then measuring 3/8 off of the center point so that it can be 3/4 inch wide half lap. Here I got a little bit wiser. Instead of going 8 inches to the center and then 3/8 inch from there either direction, I went 8 3/8 from the 8 3/8 inch from the edge and then measured back 3/4 inches. All right, this top cross piece now has a good half lap joint. Little SketchUp thing that people do is turn it into a component so that way you can't accidentally edit it by pulling a line or a point across. Also, for the legs, I'll do the same thing and it'll make it easy to duplicate. This will make sense in a minute. Okay, now I'm designing the legs. These are 18 inches long because I felt like making it 18 inches long, and I want the top of the cross piece to be 12 inches off the ground, just something I'm doing. This is a 2x2 box that I made there, a rectangle, and I pushed it down to account for the other side of the half lap joint. Let's give this the old spinny, turn it 90 degrees sideways, and then move it into, let's move that guy into position. Here's a line I'm making so that I can make a taper because tapers, and at least for me, look nicer than just a straight leg. Hey, you remember straight leg jeans? God, those are hideous. Okay, that's a nice looking taper. Let's move that into position, and I'll take this top cross piece and lay that into the half lap joint. That looks good. Let's take this bottom cross piece and move it into position. Nice, another half lap joint laid in. And I'll take these legs and duplicate them 3 more times. Give it the old spinny. This dude, give it 180. Well, looks good, but let's just make sure it's laid in the right way. And this fella, give it the old 90 degrees and, oh, wrong part. There it is. All right, looking good. And since I'm making these out of some spare cherry I have laying around, I figured I'd just, make it cherry colored because it looks good in the picture and it's more convincing to the missus. Let's put this little dude up here. His name is Plant. It's a plant stand. All right, thanks for watching. Build video coming soon. Bye.